Dollar Tree has nailed it with their fall finds this year, and I can't wait to share all the things that I picked up. Hello and welcome. My name is Jennifer, and this is a little bit of Common Crazy, where I love sharing easy DIYs and budget decor. And today I'm excited because I'm going to share with you all the new things that I picked up that I'm either going to decorate my home with or do DIYs with. So if you are interested in seeing what I'm going to be using this year, make sure that you hang tight. There are so many new things at Dollar Tree this year. It is phenomenal. I also have a few Halloween things. I'm gonna save those for the end for those of you that are not really into Halloween, so make sure you hang around for that if you're interested. So let's get straight into it. I have grabbed so many of Dollar Tree's fall flowers and picks in years past, but this year, this is all that I have picked up as far as the florals go. These are their flocking balls. You know, you remember those stickers that used to stick to your shoelaces when you would walk through a field? They look like gigantic stickers, but the color of these things I think are beautiful and mixed in with a really beautiful floral arrangement. I just think they're gonna look so pretty, and I'm really going for some of these softer tones. Some of you might be looking at this thinking, you know, the 80s called and want their colors back, and you would be right. But I love it. The only other picks I picked up were these little felt pumpkins. I think they are adorable. You get 3 pumpkins to a stem, 2 smaller ones, and then 1 larger size. Whether you keep them on the pick themselves, you pick them off, I don't think it really matters. I just think these are a great thing to pick up. Should we talk about signs? I grabbed a few. They have some new things this year, and I was rather excited because I feel like Dollar Tree just repeats itself a lot. So I did grab one of these jars. They did do this last year, but I thought it was cute. They did change it up a little bit, but I only grabbed one of them, and I have a plan. I have a purpose for it. So super cute little jar. Now these are brand new this year, and I think these are darling. These little metal pumpkins. You have harvest on the dark blue plaid, fall on the orange, and gather on this light blue plaid. And I just think that these are darling, whether you leave them as is, use these on a wreath. So many different fun things that you can do with these. These are definitely something you want to grab if you see them. Okay, Dollar Tree is monogramming everything this year. Starting with these pumpkins, I didn't even try to pick up a monogram that was specific to me. I just happened to grab 2 small ones and then 1 large one. So 2 of the white, 1 orange. I didn't care what letter was on it at all. I just liked the shape, the sizes, because of course I'm gonna do something with them and they're just cute. Sticking with monograms, they have these monogram jars. I think they're really adorable. So cute, would be really cute on a wreath. It'd be cute as a door hanger. Really a lot of different options for these as well. I'm not done with monogramming. They have monogram pumpkins. I think this is darling. Again, if you want to leave it as is and you get the monogram that works for your name, or if you want to paint over it and just use the pumpkin shape with a little leaf, I think it's really cute. They have it in white. They also have them in orange. So you can go with either color that works best for you. These things are going to go fast. So if you see the ones that you want, don't forget, snatch them quickly. Before I move on from monogramming, they also have these 10 buckets that come monogrammed. I think these are super cute. Traditionally, they have the ones that have like the rope or twine on them. I just really like these a lot. So this would be another item. If you love it, snag it when you see it. My favorite thing to grab are blanks. That way I can do whatever I want with them, and I grabbed several of them this year. New to me for this year are these acorns. I think they are so cute, little slotted acorns that you can do some fun with those. They also have the little slotted pumpkins. How cute is that? And they also have a leaf if you're interested in doing that. Does that not make you want to think maple leaf, oh Canada? So many things with that. You really could be creative with the leaf. Now they did bring these pumpkins back. These were some of my favorite pumpkins from last year, so I was really excited to see these return again this year. They also brought back the truck with the pumpkins. I did one of my favorite DIYs with this last year. I'll make sure to link that for you. But if you're still into the trucks, make sure you grab this as well. Also for blanks, they do have just your basic pumpkin shape. Now, in size comparison, I think that's always good to see. The flat pumpkin definitely is the largest. The slotted pumpkin is definitely It's kind of the same shape as your flat one. It's just a mini version. And then this is more of like a tall, skinny pumpkin, even though it's still smaller. But that kind of gives you an idea of what the 3 different sizes would look like on your different blanks. As far as the blank goes, the pumpkin that matches its size the best would be this pumpkin. They have brought this back year after year. I love grabbing these. It actually is a little bit thicker than this blank, so it's a really solid pumpkin, and you get a leaf with it. So if you just want to paint over one of these instead and you don't want to deal with a blank, this is another really good option to pick up. I only grabbed one set of these words, and I grabbed Happy Harvest with the little maple leaf. I have not used this one before. I thought this would be a lot of fun to do something with. Something new this year that I was so excited to see are these little bags of decor. So they have these, I believe these are apples, but you could easily paint them to look like pumpkins. I think they are darling. They also have acorns, and they have mushrooms as well. So many fun things that you can do with these. I think they're darling. Now, on the acorns, they also do sell acorns at some point in the year. So if you think you're just gonna be painting these a traditional acorn color, you might wanna just buy the acorns instead and save yourself the time and the hassle. I also really love these little harvest pins. They have the clothespins on the back and the maple leaf on the front. And they also have like a little pumpkin pie one that you can get as well if you wanna do something with those. I still have some pumpkins I wanna show you because, oh boy, do they have a lot of really cute ones this year. But you don't want to forget like your basic blanks to do like small little signs, things like that. So they do carry different little metal signs. I love these, and for $1, that is such a good price to get. I also love the different wood ones that they carry, and look how thick these are. These are great if you just want a little embellishment next to like a little pumpkin sign, or if you're looking at something to go flat. So many different options you can do with these. Definitely something you want to grab when you see them. Okay, something I'm super excited about are these mini little velour felt looking pumpkins. I think they are darling, and I think they are going to fly fast. So if you see them, grab them. So many different things you can do with them. I think you're going to see a lot of different projects made with these. I also really love these checkered, buffalo check, gingham, whatever you want to call this pattern, pumpkins. They also come in a blue buffalo check. I thought the orange was super cute. You can of course leave these like this, or it does have a foam pumpkin underneath. If you don't like this pattern and you want to do something else with it, you can put your own fabric on it. So don't let the fabric or the pattern like stop you. If this isn't your style, but you like the size, think about that as well. Now they have used this size of pumpkin for quite a while, but this silver is a brand new color for this year, and I think it's such a pretty, almost a grayish color, because it's not like shiny silver, it's just more of a muted, matted silver, and so I thought that that was such a really pretty color. Again, if this isn't your thing, but you like the stem, you like the shape, you could always recover it with your own fabric as well. And for the cost of the foam, even $1, that's such a good price. So here are a couple of these stacked pumpkins that are new this year that say be blessed and be thankful. You have a blue and a white one. Now, my white one is missing its stem, but instead of being sad about it, I'm gonna flip it around, and this bad boy is gonna end up being a snowman. Happy accidents. You know, turn that lemon into some lemonade. One of my absolute favorite pumpkins that Dollar Tree has this year is this flat cement one. Honestly, they probably got the idea from the Hobby Lobby one that's a few dollars more, but I'm not looking that gift horse in the mouth because I'd rather just pay $1 for it. Now, I will warn you, it's kind of like chalky, so you might want to dust it off. Don't put it on black, but I think it is super cute, and I love it. To go along with the chalky kind of pumpkin, it also has like this little white distressed one. I think that's super cute. I love the brown stem. Again, super heavy, concrete, love it. They have these acorns. You get this bright orangey gold and a silver. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not loving the color. This doesn't match my decor necessarily. They also have it in a pine cone in both colors. So I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna paint these to a color that is more pleasing for me, but just the idea of the larger acorn and what you can do with it, I think they're super cute. Another new pumpkin for the year is this white one that has the little cutouts on it. How cute would this be if you can get a light inside of it for the light to come through? I think that would be so darling to do with this pumpkin. So last year, Dollar Tree carried the pumpkin that looks like this, and it has in it like an embossed leaf all the way around with the gold on top. This year, they brought back the same pumpkin, but the green is a little bit darker, and as you can tell, the gold is a little bit less yellow. It's a little bit more of a muted tone, and I love the ones this year even more because I'm a little bit less yellow gold fan. So this, I think, is just better. So they did it better this year. They also have it in a white as well, and so they have it squatty, and you can get it in a little bit of a taller pumpkin, and I think they are super cute. I plan to keep my decor pretty light and bright, even though I want to stick with some really traditional colors as well. And so I know these will help me do that. So Dollar Tree also has these chalkboard signs that are blank for you to be able to create on. And how fun is this? You can actually create like a double-sided sign, one side for fall, one side for Halloween. I picked up 2 of these. I'm really excited to be able to use these. Dollar Tree, thank you. The last sign that I grabbed was this fall one. Again, I just love the stacking pumpkins. I thought that was really cute. I love the colors of it. I really do like incorporating a little bit of blue in with my fall decor, especially because I have blue in my house. So that really works well for my home decor. And I just thought that was super cute. One non-fall item that I went ahead and picked up were these placemats. This is brand new in my Dollar Trees, and I thought it was really cute. Again, I couldn't resist it. And I know things like this go really fast when everyone else sees them, so I had to grab them. I have a couple Dollar Tree Pluses near me, and I love to see what they have, but I don't always tend to pick things up. But I did go ahead and buy this basket. I am redoing my laundry room right now, and I'm gonna be using this basket in there, and right now it's holding all the Halloween things that I picked up that I'm excited to share with you. This year, Dollar Tree has these large skeletons. Oh my goodness, a little wooden skeleton. Is that not the coolest thing? You guys, I am so excited to show you what I'm making with these. That will be coming very soon. Are you excited about Halloween? I love decorating for Halloween. I think it's so much fun. It's like a love-hate. One, either you love to do it or you don't do it at all. Like nobody's in the middle on this one, right? I also picked up a few of the Halloween berry picks, some of the dark purple as well as the black. I got the large dark purple and the smaller dark purple and the smaller black. I haven't done a Halloween wreath in I don't even know how long, and I'm in the mood to do a Halloween wreath. So to go with that, I picked up several of these little black glitter skull picks. Now, mind you, I break things apart, so don't think that these things are gonna stay exactly the way they are. Here's a glittery pumpkin pick, a glittery pumpkin pick, glittery pumpkin pick, another black skull pick. Now check out this large flower. Oh yeah. Okay, that's all I got in the form of picks for my Halloween wreath. I'm super excited. Y'all, I'm gonna have the best decorated Halloween door. Yes, my kids are gonna love me. I also grabbed these super cute little signs. You have like the witches in, welcome to our haunted house, trick or treat, and beware black cat crossing. If you don't have a cricket but you like cute little signs, these things are like your best friend. How darling are these? And because I got them for $1, then they're like 50 cents each. That is such a good deal. And the last bit of Halloween that I picked up were, my wing is broken. Well, I'm gonna have to fix that. Darn. Well, the last bit of Halloween I picked up were these wooden bats, one with a broken wing. So I'm gonna have to do some surgery. And the other one is a little witch's hat. I thought that was really cute, and I'm excited about using those as well. That is everything in the haul today. I wanna know, what are you most excited about? Leave that in the comments for me. Here's another video I know you will love. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.